Hello everyone, I'm here today with the manager of the ATB branch here in Vulcan, David Lyon. And David, I see you brought someone with you here today.
Thank you, Lyle. Yes, with me today is our mortgage specialist, Adrian.
Hi Adrian, nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Now gentlemen, one of the common hiccups we see, or at least have seen in the past, is people buying acreages, and they bought I've always heard, they put a value of what, 3 acres on 3 acres of the property, the value of the house, and maybe one outbuilding like a garage or that. But we all know there's acreages with more than one building on it, and those have value. And what can you guys do to help people in instances like that?
Yeah, it's a great question, Val. ATB's come up with a program where we do actually take the value of the home up to 160 acres of land, a garage, and an outbuilding. So we can take all of those into our final appraised value and into consideration as part of the purchase program for a primary residence mortgage, as long as that outbuilding is used for personal use.
Oh, so like I could buy a quarter section of land, have my house in the corner, and then go shoot gophers on the other 155 acres, and it's still considered residential?
Absolutely. Yeah, there can be a bit of a difference between what the farmland would be worth versus the residential value that we place it on, but we will take all 160 acres as part of our valuation.
Oh, well, that's interesting. Wow. So, because we see people that they get the house, when they go to shop, and then they want like a riding arena for the kids, or maybe a mechanic shop to store their toys in, or work on their old 73 Charger or something like that. So the ATB takes into account the extra building like that.
Yeah, we will only take one additional outbuilding for value. We do get to pick and choose which one it is that we want to use if there are multiple. So of course we choose the highest value one. And essentially we're just making sure that you are using that outbuilding for personal use versus having some kind of a business component or generation when you are using that. We do have different programs for that, but when it comes to a primary residence personal mortgage, that outbuilding just has to be used for personal use. So.
Oh, okay. So, see, David, for example, that sounds like an awesome program, but what if somebody is like a professional barrel racer or a mechanic? Would that come under business, or how does that work?
Hey, absolutely. Yeah, we really, the way we think about it is we hope you come up with a dream and you have an idea, and then come see us. And we have different experts in different fields, and we can certainly hook you up with the right one, whether it's Adrian or somebody else, and we can help you finance that property that's going to be for business use, that property that's going to be for farm use, or that property that's kind of going to be a combination of all three. We can work through any which way.
Wow, that's great to hear. Positive view that you guys can help people. That's amazing. So when you're in Vulcan, you see David at the ATB, and then Adrian, how do we get in touch with you?
Yeah, so cell phone 403-892-1231 is my number. Email at acexp@atb.com, or if you stop at any ATB branch or location and say, hey, I want to speak to Adrian, the mortgage guy, you'll be able to look me up and pass along those contact details too. And I've left some business cards here with Lyle as well.
Awesome, and I'll put your contact info, both your guys' contact info in the video. I really appreciate you guys stopping by here today. It's great to hear the positive stories of how you're helping people, how we can make things happen. Like David said, bring your dreams in, and we can make something happen for you. Thank you very much for joining me today, guys. Have a great day.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.